Today we are going to discuss about the protein. In the previous videos, I have discussed about the structure of amino acids and the protein is from the series of chapter number one of the biology or biological molecules and so on. So basically, proteins are the organic compounds, and we know that those organic compounds always contain carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen in it. Basically, proteins are composed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen in it. We guys can say that organic compounds are those compounds which are consist of carbon and hydrogen together. Okay, Ji? It is a rich energy source for organisms. It helps in growth and it increases the learning capacity and according to the WHO, according to the recommendation of the World Health Organization, in normal diet, protein taken in minimum amount as per recommendation of WHO in normal diet, the protein taken, the protein intake minimum amount is 37 gram per day, and in maximum amount it is 62 gram per day. And it has been said that we need living organisms need to eat 200 gram of fish in a week. It would be healthy for the living organisms. Then the protein is the polymer of amino acids, and amino acids are the monomer of protein, and amino acids are composed alpha carbon of alpha carbon amine group and carboxyl group, as I've discussed in my previous video. Carboxyl group, and last but not the least, the radical group. Okay, let me just draw the structure just to remind you guys that, for example, this is alpha carbon, this is the carboxyl, this is the carboxyl group, this is the radical group, and this one is the amine group. Okay, okay, ji. So this is the structure of a basic amino acid. Okay, so this is MCQs. There are 200 types of amino acids in nature, but living organisms have 20 amino acids. Okay, then as we talk about the structure of protein, so we have four type of structure of protein. The first one is primary, second one is secondary, third one is tertiary, and the fourth one is quaternary. Okay, quaternary structure of protein. So what is, first of all, let me discuss about the primary structure. It is present in insulin. Okay, ji, let me just draw it. These are the primary primary structure of the protein. Okay, ji. Then on the second hand, we have secondary structure. It is found in hairs, spider web, and it is spirally attached with each other and having hydrogen sulfide bond in it. Okay, ji? The purpose of sulfur is to give support to turn around. Okay, let me draw this the structure. Okay, okay, ji. Uh, the hydrogen sulfide bond is present between here. Okay, hydrogen sulfide bond. Okay, ji. So this one is the secondary structure of the protein. Then on other hand, we are having tertiary structure that is present in lysozyme, tears, or in saliva. Okay, it contains disulfide bond and having 3D shape. Okay, let me draw it. Wait a while. Wait for a while. Okay, basically we guys can say that it is a combination of the primary and the tertiary structure. This is how they all are formed. Okay, ji. So over between these two the sulfide bond is present. This is how between these two the sulfide is present, between these two the sulfide is present, and this is known as the tertiary structure. And the last but not least, we are having the quaternary structure of the protein. It is known as quadratic protein, also quadratic protein, and it is present in blood, and it is a globular protein. Okay, let me just draw it. It is so simple that this way it goes this way, and then the infinity sign. We guys can see that the 8. Okay, so this one is the quaternary structure of the protein. Okay, so structure of the amino acid, we have recalled the structure of the amino acid. Then the structure of the proteins, the first one is primary structure that is found in insulin. Then secondary that is found in hairs and adipate and having the hydrogen sulfide bond between them. And then tertiary structure that is found in lysozyme and tears and saliva, and it is 3D shaped, and it is having disulfide bonds between them. And the last but not the least, the quaternary structure that is known as quadratic protein and found in blood, which is a globular protein. Okay, G. So I hope that you guys will get back to my channel for the for the further videos. And thank you.